Most people work 40 hours a week but have no idea where their money goes. Today, I'm giving you the most famous and effective budgeting blueprint in the world, the 50-30-20 rule. Number 1, the 50%, the needs. Half of your after-tax income should go to needs. This includes your rent or mortgage, utilities, basic groceries, insurance, and minimum debt payments. If this part is higher than 50%, you are house poor or car poor and need to downsize. Number 2, the 30%, the wants. This is for your lifestyle, dining out, Netflix, hobbies, and shopping. This category is flexible. If you want to reach financial freedom faster, this is the first place you should cut back to save more. Number 4, the 20%, the future. This is the most important part. At least 20% must go toward your financial goals, extra debt payments, emergency funds, and retirement accounts like a 401k or Roth IRA. This is the money that makes you wealthy. Number 5, how to start. Look at your last month's spending. Does it fit these percentages? If not, start moving money from the wants category into the future category. Even a 2% shift every month makes a huge difference over time. And number 6, stay disciplined. This rule takes the guesswork out of spending. You know exactly what you can afford without feeling guilty. Tomorrow, we start phase 2, and I'll reveal the 5 deadly mistakes that keep you poor.